Today, the raindrops whisper their gentle song as my pink roses shine brighter than ever. A little rain makes beautiful things bloom even more. The sight of my stunning pink roses and the simple moments like these feels like a pure magic. A rain-kissed day and stunning roses, and they make this cozy day feel magical. It's just like a hearing to some music track, and the raindrops fills the air, and these pink roses bloom. It's like pure magic for me today, and I'm so happy for the day. And I have my little one today, not going to school. Mm.